Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need admin or owner authority and a paid license before you begin. Once that's confirmed, sign in to the Zoom web portal. Navigate directly to Settings, then Recording to avoid menus. Turn the cloud recording toggle on at the account level or scope it to a group or specific users. Make sure you save changes and note whether your plan includes cloud storage. If not, plan retention and quota now before you proceed to detailed configuration. Once done with the toggle, configure what Zoom stores in the cloud and why each option matters. Enable audio transcripts for searchable text. Choose whether to record active speaker, gallery, shared screen, or separate files so playback matches your needs. Use automatic recording if you want meetings recorded without prompting, and add alternative hosts so recordings start reliably. Also set retention and deletion policies to control storage costs. Start your meeting and press record, then choose record to cloud. You'll see the red recording indicator so you know it's capturing. After the session ends, wait for Zoom to process the files, then go to the Recordings tab to review, download, or adjust sharing and password settings. If recordings don't appear, check the user's cloud recording permission, confirm sufficient cloud storage, and ensure the account owner hasn't disabled recording. These 3 checks resolve most failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.